everyone, my name is Kumari. Today I want to give a small advice all class 10 students. Let's start. Class 10 is a very important class in your life. If you study regularly and honestly, you will surely get success. And don't waste your time on mobile phones and unnecessary things. Make a proper timetable and follow it every day. Always revise what you study and don't be afraid in exam. Believe in yourself and stay confident and remember hard always and brings good results. Start with the question you will know where to build confidence. Write clean and clear answer in exam and underline important points and stay confident and trust your preparation. Lastly, respect your teachers and parents because they are guides who help a lot. Thank you to listening me and giving me your precious time and thank you and all the best in your future.
Very good. Claps.